Hey, thanks for joining me, and this is my first devlog for my newest game. As this is my first video, I'm just going to talk a lot about my ideas and only a little bit about actual development because, well, to be honest, I haven't developed a whole lot yet. Now, the first thing we're going to have to do is go back to a couple weeks ago when I was just doing my normal routine. Normally when I'm bored, I just sit and do nothing on my phone. But on that day, I was feeling just a little bit silly. I decided to go on one of those random game idea generator websites just to see if anything happened to inspire me. I went through, and some of them were bad, but some of them were actually pretty good. And then I found one idea that really stood out to me and I really wanted to make. The idea was a cooking game that had a theme of mafia. I didn't really know where to go with this at first, but then I had a great idea. What if it was a cooking game where you managed the front business for a mafia? I started to have so many ideas, and I talked to some people I know, and then I eventually decided to go for it. So my idea for it was, it's a cooking game where your job is not just to make food, but to also make sure the mafia members and police are happy. In other cooking games, the frenzy of it comes from the overwhelming amount of orders. But in this one, the frenzy comes from having a gun in your face the whole time. This can be done through mini games where you need to distract cops or decode messages from mafia members that need to get through to the back. There's a lot of potential for this idea, and I'm really excited to be working on it. But now for the actual development. I decided to use Godot for this project because I really like the style and intuitiveness of it. I also haven't really used it before, and I thought this would be kind of fun. So here we are in the engine, and you can immediately tell that it looks like crap. And it is. But I haven't really gotten around to making it look good. What I have so far is basic movement, a camera that pans back and forth between the front of the shop and the kitchen, and some basic food interactions. My ideas for how the camera is going to work is that you'll move back and forth between the front and the back to cook and then serve food to customers. The reason you can't see the whole thing is because I wanted to make sure that players would be constantly checking back and forth to make sure they have everything taken care of, especially with the mini games. That's all I have for now, but in the next devlog I hope to have some actual gameplay down. I'm hoping to have customer interactions as well as to flesh out some of the basic food interaction mechanics. Until then, thank you so much for watching. Hit those buttons down there, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.